Welcome to the heart of urban elegance. In the city that never sleeps, every corner is infused with creativity, bold design, and a blend of styles that speak to sophistication and luxury. These bathrooms capture the essence of New York's architectural diversity, from sleek industrial elements to lush, opulent details that exude timeless beauty. Each design is a masterclass in blending function with aesthetics, making these bathrooms not just a space of retreat, but a symbol of elevated urban living. In today's video, we'll explore 5 unique styles, each offering its distinct interpretation of luxury in the iconic lofts of New York. Starting off with the Art Deco loft revival style. A glamorous nod to the Roaring '20s brought into the modern era with sleek lines and contemporary finishes. This style is all about bold patterns, rich materials, and luxurious touches, creating a space that feels both opulent and modern. It's a perfect blend of vintage, glamour, and urban sophistication, making it an ideal choice for a luxurious New York loft. At the heart of the Art Deco revival is the use of geometric patterns in bold contrasts. Black and gold are often the dominant colors, with polished marble surfaces and intricate tiling creating a sense of grandeur and opulence. These elements are balanced by sleek, modern fixtures, ensuring that the space feels contemporary rather than dated. The use of luxurious materials such as marble, gold accents, and rich wood is key in this design. Polished surfaces reflect light, creating a bright, glamorous atmosphere. At the same time, bold patterns such as geometric floor tiles or Art Deco-inspired wallpaper add a sense of drama and visual interest. Lighting plays a crucial role in the Art Deco loft revival. Bold statement light fixtures such as chandeliers or vintage sconces add a touch of glamour and sophistication. These fixtures not only provide functional lighting but also serve as focal points, enhancing the overall design. The color palette is typically bold, with black, gold, and white dominating the space. These rich tones create a sense of luxury and drama, while the clean lines and modern finishes keep the space feeling fresh. This style is perfect for those who appreciate the glamour of vintage design but want to bring it into the modern era. The Art Deco loft revival is a stunning, luxurious space that combines the best of both worlds, offering a glamorous retreat in the heart of New York. The Industrial Elegance bathroom is a celebration of raw materials and metropolitan charm, balancing the rough textures of exposed brick and concrete with the refinement of sleek, polished finishes. Stepping into this space is like entering a New York loft with large industrial windows that invite a flood of natural light, bringing out the subtle warmth in the brick walls. The high ceilings give a feeling of expansiveness, while steel and metal fixtures add an air of understated luxury. The key to the appeal of industrial elegance lies in the contrast between rug and polished textures. Concrete floors and exposed beams create a backdrop of urban toughness, softened by elegant touches like warm wood accents or polished metal. This design embraces imperfections, allowing cracks in the concrete or the natural wear on exposed pipes to become part of its charm. Lighting plays an essential role in elevating the industrial aesthetic. Pendant lights with Edison bulbs cast a warm glow, creating an inviting atmosphere that balances the space's rugged features. Large mirrors and glass shower enclosures reflect light and open up the space, making the room feel more airy and luxurious. The color palette is typically neutral, with shades of gray, taupe, and providing a calming base. This allows the raw materials to shine without overwhelming the senses. The earthy tones of exposed brick or concrete bring warmth to what could otherwise be a cold space, ensuring it feels like a retreat rather than a factory floor. This style exudes urban chic and luxury in equal measure, making it perfect for those who appreciate the beauty of industrial design but don't want to sacrifice elegance. With its combination of raw materials, sleek fixtures, and thoughtful lighting, industrial elegance is a quintessential New York loft bathroom. In the minimalist concrete and glass bathroom, less truly is more. This design strips away the unnecessary, focusing on clean lines, smooth textures, and a serene palette to create a calming oasis in the heart of the city. The space is defined by its simplicity, with polished concrete walls and floors forming the backbone of the design, contrasted beautifully by large, expansive glass panels. Walking into a minimalist bathroom feels like stepping into a modern spa, with the concrete surfaces providing a raw, tactile quality that's surprisingly soft to the touch. The high ceilings and glass features enhance the sense of openness, allowing natural light to flood the space and highlight the room's clean, sleek aesthetic. The beauty of minimalist design is its ability to make even the smallest details stand out. Chrome or brushed steel fixtures, for instance, gleam against the neutral backdrop of gray concrete, offering subtle, refined touches that elevate the overall design. Large, frameless mirrors help amplify the sense of space, making the bathroom feel larger and more open. Lighting is kept soft and ambient, with recessed lighting or sleek. Modern fixtures ensuring that the bathroom remains bright but not overly harsh. The natural light pouring in from large windows plays a crucial role in highlighting the smoothness of the concrete and the transparency of the glass, creating a harmonious balance between natural and artificial light. The palette remains neutral, with tones of gray, white, and soft earth tones dominating the space. This allows the textures and materials to take center stage, with concrete's matte finish contrasting beautifully with the reflective glass surface. The overall effect is one of calm, restrained luxury, where every element is perfectly curated. Minimalist concrete and glass is the epitome of modern sophistication, ideal for those who appreciate clean design and luxurious simplicity. It's a style that feels effortlessly chic and modern, making it a stunning addition to any New York loft. Vintage meets modern is a bathroom style that celebrates the charm of yesteryear while incorporating modern sensibilities for a timeless and elegant space. This design marries the best of both worlds in nostalgic warmth of vintage fixtures with the sleek functionality of contemporary elements. Imagine stepping into a bathroom where retro subway tiles, brass fixtures, and antique lighting are offset by clean lines and modern materials, creating a space that feels both fresh and familiar. The contrast of old and new is what makes this style so captivating. The warmth of vintage brass faucets, exposed pipes, and retro lighting fixtures is beautifully balanced by the sleekness of modern marble countertops. Frameless glass shower enclosures and contemporary storage solutions. This careful blend of styles creates a space that feels luxurious and full of character. Subway tiles are often a hallmark of this design, offering a classic backdrop that adds a vintage touch without overpowering the modern elements. Brass or copper accents add warmth and a touch of glamour, while modern light fixtures provide both functionality and style, casting a soft, warm glow over the space. The color palette tends to be neutral, with whites, grays, and soft beiges allowing the vintage elements to stand out. These soft tones also help to maintain a sense of cohesion between the old and the new, ensuring that the bathroom feels balanced and inviting rather than disjointed. Textures play a crucial role in this design, with the smoothness of modern surfaces like marble or quartz contrasting with the more rugged, tactile qualities of vintage fixtures. This creates a dynamic, layered look that feels rich. This style is perfect for those who appreciate the nostalgia of vintage design, but also want the convenience and sleekness of modern elements. It's a timeless look that blends charm with functionality, making it a perfect fit for a luxurious New York loft. In the rustic urban retreat, the charm of natural materials meets the sleek sophistication of urban living. This style is all about creating a warm, inviting space that feels like a retreat from the fast-paced life of New York City. With its mix of wood, stone, and industrial elements, this bathroom offers a cozy yet refined atmosphere that invites relaxation. Exposed brick walls, reclaimed wood vanities, and rough stone textures form the foundation of the rustic urban retreat. These natural materials give the space a sense of warmth and earthiness, grounding it in rustic charm. At the same time, modern fixtures and sleek design elements, such as metal light fixtures and polished sinks, add an element of sophistication, ensuring the space feels luxurious rather than purely rustic. The use of natural light is key in this style. Large windows allow sunlight to flood the space, highlighting the textures of wood and stone while softening the industrial elements. The natural light plays off the warm tones of the wood and stone, creating a serene and peaceful atmosphere. The color palette is typically neutral, with shades of gray, beige, and earthy browns dominating the space. These tones enhance the natural materials, creating a cohesive and calming environment that feels like a true retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. Textures are essential in this design. The roughness of exposed brick and stone contrast beautifully with the smoothness of modern fixtures and polished surfaces. This interplay of textures adds depth and character to the space, making it feel both inviting and luxurious. This style is perfect for those who want to bring a touch of nature into their urban home without sacrificing the sleek, modern look of a New York loft. The rustic urban retreat is a warm, welcoming space that offers a perfect balance of rustic charm and urban sophistication. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with us any design ideas you'd like us to feature in our next videos. And until next time.